Dear, my name is Mohammad Farooq. I work as a business teacher and business consultant in Malaysia. Recently, I attended confidence boosting training session of Dr. Saim. I found it very effective to improve my teaching skills and training skills. Dr. Saim has a very effective method of communicating and identifying the flaws in your personality. He also help you in diagnosing those flaws. After attending the session, you will get lifetime skills to be confident in front of your boss, in front of your team, in front of any client whenever you are selling something, or if you are a trainer, if you are a teacher, then it's must for you. So there are some things as per Dr. Sam which become part of our personality during our upbringing, and only the effective method of understanding those things and diagnostic can help us to be a better teacher, to be a better speaker. So I recommend you all to attend this training session. And Dr. Saim is a kind of life coach for me. I always get their advice, and I'm sure once you attended this session, you will all the time look for their guidance and help. I wish them good luck. May they have much more success. May you have more success. So I recommend you to visit their website and attend their online courses. Thank you so much.